Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can teleport to the land of Oz in Dress to Impress Freeplay server. So you're going to go here and you're going to turn right and you're going to turn right again and you'll see this broom. Just press E to teleport and you'll be teleported to this place. It's pretty much the same as the lobby, but you are able then to take pictures here. So yeah, that is it. I really like this place. It's beautiful. It's really like they really outdid themselves on this update. So yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.